Hey everyone, it's Miss Guy, and I am ready to start discussing session 3. Session three's topic is culture. Our textbook this week will define culture for us as the language, beliefs, values, norms, behaviors, and even material objects that characterize a group of people. And those things and those concepts are passed down from one generation to the next. So you'll see on your Moodle section for culture, a culture wheel, and all of those items labeled on that culture wheel work together to create the culture in which shapes us into who we are. For example, different types of food and drinks, different types of languages, different types of art appreciations or tools or traditions. Those types of things build our culture. So I hope that you will enjoy chapter 2 this week as you jump into what exactly is culture and how it shapes the world in which we live. So the first thing that you will do for session 3 is to complete chapter 2 in your Revel textbook, and that will be the readings of chapter 2 as well as the quizzes. So you will complete quizzes 2.1 through 2.7 and the final quiz at the end, the chapter 2 quiz. You had an opportunity in session 2 to get those quizzes done, and so hopefully this will be a refresher for you on how to jump in Revel and get those quizzes done. But please make sure that you reach out to me if you have any issues with Revel and let me know immediately so I can help you with any sort of technology issues you may be having. Once you complete that textbook reading and those quizzes, you are going to jump into completing the journal for these sessions, symbols, values, and norms. When you click on that journal, you are going to see a direction to watch a crash course video. Remember, I told you we'll be watching many of them. All right, so you're going to watch Crash Course in Sociology number 10, which surrounds the concept of culture, especially symbols, values, and norms. So once you watch that video, you will highlight what is between the dotted lines. You will copy and come down here to the bottom left-hand corner and click Start or Edit My Journal Entry. Once you do that, you will be able to see this entry box. You will paste my formatting into the entry box, and then you will put your own information in here based upon what you learned from the video. So when your explanation of what material culture is typed in, you will then need to make sure that you change the color. Remember, I told you in the past, this is a fantastic way to quickly see what is your contribution and what was my formatting request. That way you can tell that you have certainly answered the questions completely and you have added enough content. Make sure that you are explaining in detail and you are expanding your thoughts. Once you are finished with the entire journal, you will scroll down to the bottom and you will click the blue Save Changes button. Let's see here. I am gonna move my screen a little bit so I can show you. Here we go. Sorry about that. You're gonna click that blue Save Changes button. That's in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you click that blue Save Changes button, it is automatically going to submit your journal entry to me, and then I will be able to grade it once the deadline rolls around. Just as a reminder, make sure that you are well aware of when your deadlines are, and make sure that you do not wait until it is very close to the deadline to get things done. Working ahead in this class and every other college class that you have this semester will be helpful to you as far as getting things done and not being stressed. Waiting to the last minute is never a good thing for our systems. Please make sure that you reach out to me via email as soon as you have a question or a concern or you're running into some sort of issue. I'm always available. Don't worry about what time of day it is. Email me at any time and let me know what's going on, and I will be back with you as quickly as possible to help you figure that out. Have a fantastic session 3 learning about the world and culture.